rotation in it, Dale, and it looks like it's going to try again and ramp it back up.
And a 2 1/4 inch hail, 180.
Sure looks like it's going to do it again. Looks like we got a nice little base funnel right over here to the left, and it's going to go down again. Here we go.
Yeah, one behind it's a monster.
Got another tornado, tornado number 3. Tornado number 3.
It's a little hard to tell if it's on the ground or not with them trees, but I think you're right.
She's definitely giving some good spin, guys. Beautiful footage here. All right, it's 4:11 p.m. Central Time. I am just about 2 miles to the west of Axtell, Nebraska.